Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID password if forgotten. So go ahead to your browser and start looking for appleid.apple.com. Again, appleid.apple.com, and you're going to see right here the Apple ID website, and go ahead and click sign in, and you'll be able to sign in with your own Face ID and continue from signing with your own facial recognition, right? Which is amazing feature to have if you're not willing to add your password. And from here you're going to be able to click on the password and just go ahead and change the password right here. Okay, so basically you'll be able to change password from within. But if you can't log in and you want to change the, or if you are logged in, you can't change the password, or you forgot the password and you can't log in to Apple ID or iCloud, just go ahead right here and just open up a page called iforgot.apple.com. Again, iforgot.apple.com, and you're gonna see right here forgot a password appearing to you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click reset password, and I'm gonna just go ahead and follow the instructions by resetting my password and verifying my phone number that this is me who is allowing that action to happen, so I can change the Apple ID password. Alright, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.